Hello. In this video, I'm about to show you how to enable user command module in existing reconciliation that you have. So here I have a reconciliation template. Something very important is that if you edit the template, you have to go in the Option tab, User Command menu, and make sure that this tick box, Save User Command in Database, is selected. Also, you need to make sure that you select a persistent database like a Sybase or Oracle database. And this is enough. EasyRec will automatically create the needed database tables to store the user commands. So if I start the reconciliation, you will see that you have an additional tab, Commands, which is automatically created. This tab contains all the user command that was previously defined. And if you click on the user command, you have a direct focus where you have the user command. Here, we have commands created on the target table. And you have a visual indicator for this. If I do a right click, edit command, you're able to edit the command. You can see the external reference if you want to keep track of the user command, notion of priority here, category, assignee, group. All those three fields are completely user definable. Also status, like not analyzed, ongoing analysis, accepted, rejected, and a short description that you can enter. So to create user commands, you need to select either in the source or in the target, field by field. If you click on a difference, like, so either this one, or you can select by bulk. So you can select 2 cells in a row, right click, edit command, and then create your user command. Another possibility, for instance, if you have identify or find a pattern to create user commands, you can use the break tab here. By the way, the tab is user definable, so I can add like new columns in this tab. If you say all breaks related to a specific instrument, let me select those instruments randomly. If you say that this is the same pattern, you can do Control A, like select all, right click, and say, I want to edit commands either in the source or edit command in the target. So if you do that, you are able to create the same commands on all those different lines. So it's a kind of accelerator. And if you have created user commands, if you go back to the statistic tab, you no longer have the traditional KPI, but you have more information like breakdown by category, by user, by status, by age, by priority. And the color codes that you see like green, blue, yellow, etc., and red represents the validation status of the user command. If it's rejected, accepted, in progress, not analyzed. And finally, if you produce the Excel report, I'm generating the Excel file, all the user commands will be automatically exported in the Excel file, which is convenient because people will be able to visualize what was manually explained by the user, not only the technical reconciliation, but also the explanation. So if I scroll completely at the height, I have the columns dedicated to user commands. So I can see the user, the reference, category, assignee, group, status, etc. If you go on the KPI also, you have more information because we have enabled the user command menu. What is interesting is that the way we save the user command is not by position. It's not, for instance, line 3, column 1, but it's saved according to reconciliation key. And this is very interesting because if you say that tomorrow you have new data sets to reconcile, you can still use the user command that was previously defined and to apply the same user command on the new extractions. So you don't have to book 2 times the same user command. It's kind of intelligent and they will automatically be applied on the new data sets. Okay, thank you. Bye.